Hey, creating a professional-looking website has never been easier. Today, I will introduce you to the best website builder service. I make over $10,000 a month, and in this short video, I'm going to give you some very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make you truly the best in the best website builders category. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Let's not waste time and get started.
Zyro, your ideal partner in website creation in today's digital landscape. Having a quality website is critical for business success. Have you ever wondered how a well-designed website could transform your business game? Zyro offers a simple and effective way to create a site that highlights your unique style. This isn't just a tool, it's your opportunity to elevate your online presence. Zyro is designed for anyone to create their website without any programming knowledge. If you've never built a website before, wouldn't you want a platform that does the heavy lifting for you? Its intuitive drag and drop editor allows you to easily change text, images, and layouts. How great would it feel to know that your site will look professional, even if you're just starting out? With Zyro, you can confidently launch your site and impress your audience right from the start. What if you could use artificial intelligence to assist in content creation and design? Zyro offers an AI logo maker and an AI content generator to help you create a unique logo and generate copy for your site. Imagine having your own assistant that understands your brand and helps you articulate your message. Picture how much time you can save while still producing top-notch content that captivates your audience. Did you know that proper SEO optimization can significantly increase your site's visibility? Zyro provides all the necessary tools for setting up meta tags, titles, and descriptions. What strategies do you plan to employ to drive more traffic to your site? With Zyro's built-in SEO features, you can optimize your site easily, allowing you to focus on your business growth rather than getting lost in technical jargon. With a multitude of templates and customization options, you will always find something that suits your needs. What unique elements will you bring to your website to make it truly yours? Zyro allows for endless creativity while providing the structure necessary for success. Did you know that you can get advice and recommendations on optimizing your website? This means you will always have access to expert help. Whether it's through online tutorials or customer service, Zyro ensures you have the guidance needed to navigate the digital landscape successfully. Jimdo is a platform that makes creating a website a simple and straightforward process. Have you ever dreamed of a website that truly showcases your services? Jimdo provides everything you need to quickly launch your online project, allowing you to focus on what really matters your business. You get access to an editor that's user-friendly, allowing you to easily customize your site's design. Did you know that you can edit your site in real time and see changes instantly? This allows you to focus on creativity without unnecessary hassle. Imagine dragging and dropping elements to create the exact layout you envision. How liberating would that be? Are you aware that 60% of users access websites from mobile devices? Jimdo ensures your site automatically adapts to different screen sizes, so you can be confident that your visitors will have a great experience. How many potential customers could you lose if your site isn't mobile friendly? With Jimdo, you'll never have to worry about that again. Jimdo has all the tools for success. Imagine having the ability to engage with your audience directly through your site. Social media buttons can help you increase interaction and build a community around your brand. By using Jimdo, you free up your schedule to pursue other passions or focus on expanding your product line. Jimdo also offers excellent customer service to assist you with any questions. Did you know that you always have the option to get help if challenges arise? You will never be alone in your business journey. What peace of mind would it bring to know that expert support is just a click away? With Jimdo, help is always at your fingertips. Bandzoogle is a platform designed specifically for musicians and creative individuals. Do you want your music to resonate online? Bandzoogle helps you create a site that serves as your creative hub, showcasing your music, videos, and merchandise all in one place. You gain access to templates specifically designed for musicians. What possibilities open up when your website can showcase your uniqueness? Each template is customizable, allowing you to add your own personal touch. Bandzoogle provides powerful marketing tools to keep you connected with your fans. How can you use email marketing to attract new listeners? Implement strategies that resonate with your audience and keep them engaged with your music. What methods will help you build a loyal fan base? With Bandzoogle, you can create professional email campaigns, allowing you to reach out to your audience effortlessly. With integrated e-commerce capabilities, you can sell digital downloads, merchandise, and tickets, turning your passion into a viable income stream. How exciting would it be to have your fans directly support your craft? This platform opens new opportunities for your career and allows you to present your artistry at its highest level. Bandzoogle also offers excellent support for its users. Did you know you always have access to professional advice? Whether you need help with design or marketing strategies, Bandzoogle's support team is ready to assist. You're not just getting a platform, you're gaining a partner in your artistic journey. Zoho is not just a website creation platform, it's a comprehensive solution for managing every aspect of your business. Do you want to streamline all your business processes? Zoho is ready to be your trusted partner on this journey. With a suite of applications designed to work together, Zoho enables you to manage everything from customer relationships to project management seamlessly. Zoho provides a wide range of tools for project management, finances, CRM, and marketing. How can these tools help optimize your business? From invoicing to customer support, Zoho's comprehensive suite ensures that every aspect of your business is handled efficiently. Zoho easily integrates with various platforms, allowing you to create an ecosystem for your business. Did you know that integration can save you time and effort? With Zoho, you can streamline your business processes and focus on what truly matters. The integration possibilities are endless, making it easy to tailor Zoho to your specific business needs. Zoho provides powerful analytics tools to track your business metrics. Did you know that data can become your best friend in decision-making? Gain insights that will help you better understand your business and your customers. How would having accurate data at your fingertips change your business strategy? Zoho's reporting tools can provide clarity and guide your decisions with precision. How can Zoho simplify your operations and enhance productivity? This platform allows you to focus on growth and innovation rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. Zoho offers 24/7 customer support, ensuring you have help whenever you need it. Did you know that expert assistance is just a message away? Whether you have technical questions or need assistance with a specific feature, Zoho's support team is always ready to assist you. In conclusion, whether you're building your first website or expanding your online presence, platforms like Zyro, Jimdo, Bandzoogle, and Zoho offer everything you need to succeed. Are you ready to take your business or creative project to the next level? Don't wait, start building your dream website today and watch your online presence grow. Take action now and experience the power of these tools for yourself. Your perfect website is just a few clicks away.